waterfalls, we did not rush. We found our way through stone and hay. Soft at first, then fearless, learning how to fall without breaking. Your love meets mine, the way water meets the earth, without question, without force, only trust. We are every drop that chose to stay, every current that turned toward home, even when the world roared loudly around us. We listened for each other. Love is not the fall, it is the landing. The hands that hold steady, the promise to keep flowing together. And if time carves its marks upon us, let it. We were made to endure, to soften, to become more beautiful with passing years. Like waterfalls, our love never stands still. It moves, it heals, it remembers the way back to us.